Hello. Welcome to Wise Capital Effects. My name is Eric, and this is my channel. Here, what we do, we talk about trading, forex trading. Usually, it's forex trading. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider giving us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. It really goes a long way in supporting this channel. So currently I'm watching Audjpy. I've already alerted those following me on the Telegram group that we are expecting a buy opportunity. So here's the setup. So we are currently expecting a buy opportunity. I've already written here what we expect to see in order for us to place the buy order. So if you want to join my Telegram group, kindly find the link on the description part. Without wasting more time, let's have a look at this pair and why I've considered it as a buy opportunity. So now, if we look carefully, we have a lot of things that we need to understand before we say we want to trade. Now, there is a very basic concept that once a resistance zone is broken, then price comes to retest it, it becomes support. So we have this level here, you see this point as well as this point. So when price came to this point, it got pushed all the way back down. It came back again and it got a little pushed down before price breaking this level. So in other words, this looks like a double bottom here. So this is a double bottom. A double bottom is a reversal pattern, and this is the neckline. Some would argue that this is an inverted head shoulder as well. See this? Yeah, some would argue that this is an inverted head shoulder, and that this area that I've highlighted was the neckline. So we have price breaking the neckline, and most of the time if price breaks the neckline, then we come to retest it. There's a high probability that it will test and push all the way back upward. So if we were to write down the reasons that has prompted us to maybe watch this pair as a potential buying opportunity, the first would be uh, one, we have a reversal pattern. So here you could say a double bottom or an inverted head shoulder, right? So we could say that. And number two, if you look carefully, we have a trend line that is in place right here. Do you see this? So we have price has been respecting this trend line for maybe twice. We could call this first point, second point. So usually when it comes here for that time, there's a high probability price would push all the way upward. So the second reason we could put is we have a trend line confirmation. Number two, we have trend line confirmation. Now, another thing we could also see is that price is giving us higher highs and higher low. So if you see, price did push from down here, it gave us a higher high, higher low. Then now we have a higher high, then a possible higher low at this point. So the third reason we could write is number three, price giving us higher high and higher low. That could be our third reason. Now, what else we could see is that if we observe, now we come to candlestick analysis. I've already told the people on the Telegram group that we've already gotten an inverted hammer candlestick. An inverted hammer is a clue that tells you that buyers did try to push price all the way up here. Then sellers did manage to bring it back down. However, there is a dilemma. There's a nice saying that says you should be buying low and selling high. So we have price being rejected. Some might argue that this is bears taking control, but why would bears sell on a resistance? Idea on a support. Sorry, ideally we are on a support, so the bears should not price. Sellers should not be looking to sell at this point. They should be looking to buy. Buyers should be looking to take price upward. So this long upper wing, despite it being a sign that sellers did manage to push price down, it's your hidden clue that buyers are in place. So the long upper wing is your clue that we have buyers in place, and this is what we call an inverted hammer. This should not be confused with the shooting star. Shooting star and inverted hammer, they really look the same. Shooting star looks like this. If you don't know about it, it looks like this, and it has a very long. Sorry, let me move it. It has a long upper wing. Now, the only difference is where it appears. Shooting stars are usually found on the resistance, and this tells you that bears will take control. While inverted hammer, it looks like a shooting star. The only difference is that it appears on a support, and here is where we are. So if we do a candlestick analysis, you can see we had a strong bearish candlestick with a relatively large lower wing. This is your first clue that we have buyers in control. Yeah, buyers are trying to step in because price did push all the way up. Although it's not a bullish candlestick, but it gives you clue that buyers might be in place. Now, the one that really adds more confirmation is this inverted hammer, which tells you that something is about to happen. Then we get a relatively small bullish candlestick in the middle. Then currently, as we speak, we have we could say that this is a hammer candlestick forming. So hammer candlestick is a bullish candlestick. We will wait for, because we are on the H4 chart, you could drop to a smaller chart and you could see what is happening. We have a possible W pattern. You see this, a possible W pattern forming, which is a double bottom, which is a reversal pattern that tells you that price will most likely go upward. But that one is on a smaller, on a 1 hour chart. So we just wait and see what will occur at this point. If we get a hammer candlestick, that is your clue to go in. If we don't get it, we just wait and see what will occur next. I will wait for it on the H4. If we get this beautiful candlestick closing like this on the H4, I will go in. So if we do candles, the fourth reason we could put is number four is we have if we do candlestick analysis, analysis shows that we have bulls trying to take control. Now, what else we could add is the type of retracement that has occurred. We have various types of retracement. We have a form of a flag correction. We have a triangle correction. All these are continuation patterns. So if we look carefully, we can see that price did come down here. Then it did push back upward, then it has come down here again. So this is what we call the ABC correction, or in other words, this seems like it wants to give you a flag, a flag, a flag, which is a bull flag. So this is what is most likely happening at this point. So if I was to highlight it, this is point. So this is an ABC correction, and this gives you clue that indeed we might get another possible push all the way upward. So we could write point number five, five as ABC correction and a possible flag formation. So with all these, I really think this is a good opportunity that we might take long, and we could target 83.699, and our stop, we'll find a place where to put our stop loss once we've gotten entry trigger. So for now, we just wait and see what will occur. So kindly, if you found this video helpful, kindly give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, goodbye for now.